You're looking at a 1990 BMW Division of Harsco M923A2 5-ton 6x6 cargo truck with a 14-foot drop-side cargo body. Powered by a Cummins 6CTA 8.3 6-cylinder turbo-supercharged diesel engine driven through an Allison automatic transmission with a 2-speed transfer case and power steering. The vehicle is equipped with a central tire inflation system and soft top. The odometer reads 22,672 miles with 856 hours of operations on the meter. Vehicle starts and runs. Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.